Did you know that people are showing more interest in decentralized finance nowadays? So today we'll discuss what is decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is also known as DeFi. It is a financial system built on top of blockchain technology that aims to make traditional financial services more accessible, transparent, and decentralized. Unlike traditional financial systems, which are typically controlled by centralized institutions such as banks and governments, decentralized finance is designed to operate in a decentralized manner with no single entity controlling the system. Traditional finance systems have so many complex regulations, while DeFi has high transparency and is able to exchange and use information. DeFi use smart contracts which works on predefined algorithms and are self-executing programs that can automatically execute transactions when certain conditions are met without the need for intermediaries. Decentralized finance applications offer a wide range of financial services including lending, borrowing, trading, insurance and more. These services are typically accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a cryptocurrency wallet without the need for a bank account or other traditional systems. It is one of the rapid growing technology nowadays. One of the main advantages of decentralized finance is its potential to increase financial inclusion and reduce financial inequality, particularly in developing countries where traditional financial services may be inaccessible or prohibitively expensive. This also offers greater transparency and security as all transactions are recorded on public blockchain and that cannot be altered or manipulated. Also, it is a risky and volatile system that is based on the contracts made by the owner. Thus, being careful and having factual knowledge is necessary. For more interesting information on cryptocurrency and its technologies, keep following us.